Said everybody, boy Big Brando, and we got another unboxing session for you right here. This package is coming from the homie Bernie. At the time of recording this unboxing, the battery on my shotgun mic on my camera went out, and I didn't realize it until after the fact when I was editing this footage, so I am doing a voiceover now. So this is me just cutting it through, opening up the box. I wish I would have got the original audio recorded, but I have to do this voiceover. So as you can see, he packed it up with some craft paper, which is really cool. Cool way to keep everything protected. As you can see, there's a hat floating around in there, wrapped up in tissue paper. Another cool way to do it if you don't got poly bags. So he sent some die cut stickers. He also sent a typed out letter, which is cool. His brand is Agression, Desirous. Agression, Desirous. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm butchering the name, brother. But as you can see, typed out letter. He put his brand logo on the top. Very cool. Looks professional. Very dope way to do things. I did read the full letter on the original audio, but unfortunately I didn't have that recorded, which sucks. So I'm not going to read through it right here, but it was a cool little letter. Die cut stickers, snapback, and a t-shirt wrapped up in tissue paper. Really cool way to do things. Now the snapback that he used, I'm not sure of the brand because there was no branding in there, but it did feel good. I like that it didn't have a gray or green underbrim, so super cool. I mean, the logo looks clean, embroidery is super sharp, the white stroke is a flat embroidery, and the black filler is 3D puff. Really dope way to do things. Whoever did the embroidery did a really clean job. I like it. This is me just going over the embroidery, saying how cool it is. I mean, I really like it because everything is sharp and clean. You can't see no foam. This was me looking for some branding to find out what kind of snapback he used, but there was no branding, which is even cooler. Same thing, t-shirt was wrapped up in tissue paper. The print was a little iffy to me. This is screen print and not transfer. So you're going to see me go through here and I'm looking at the print. As you can see on the left side of the circle, it's a little thin and spotty. The right side is a little bit thicker, the stroke line. That might be due to whoever screen printed, if he's doing it on his own or if somebody else. When they flooded the screen, they might have biased the right side when they did the pass. So they put more pressure on the right side and not the left side, or the left side didn't have enough ink when they flooded the screen. Whatever the case is, that would be something I would work on, is just a cleaner print. Now here's the back. Same thing, dope circle logo, looks clean except for the clothing company on the bottom of his AD logo. That part right there is a little spotty. It's not really sharp and legible. So that would be something that I would work on also. And this could be due to flooding the screen and putting too much pressure in when you're doing the pass, and kind of the ink bleeding through the screen. So it's kind of like you're forcing the ink and pushing it into the t-shirt, and it kind of bleeds out, and it doesn't make for a really crisp, sharp design logo for the print. This is just comparing the sticker to the actual logo. He sent a hat, t-shirt, and stickers. Very dope stuff, Bernie. I appreciate that. Sorry for getting this up so late, but we do got our uploads back. Boxing session, new format. Appreciate you, Aggression, Desirous. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.